After a long day of following the garbage truck to get content for our other channel, Garbage Family Show, Roman and Gracie went to the Ohio Pie Company with their cousins to try some of the best pizza in Northeast Ohio. Look at that.
You gotta have Ohio Pie Cold Pizza. It's awesome. This is the best pizza.
After pizza, Roman and Gracie and their cousins went off to have some fun at this indoor go-kart place with lots of activities inside. They had a blast just playing with their cousins and hanging out.
Yeah! I did it too easy. I could have done way better, but I did it like this.
Now it's time to have more fun following the garbage truck. Way to go, Ohio. We'll be back.